Hey everyone, I hope you found value in my videos so far, and today's video is for all of you out there who suffer from foot pain, specifically pain in the arch of your foot, which may be associated with what's called plantar fasciitis. In this video, I'll describe the exercises and techniques that can be used to address this issue and improve your life. I hope you find great value in this video, and if so, please subscribe to my channel. So first, to begin, what is plantar fasciitis? Plantar fasciitis is characterized by inflammation of what's called the plantar fascia, a band of connective tissue in the underside of the foot, in the arch of the foot, that helps to hold things together and maintain your arch. When one, what's called inverts when they walk because of a low arch, this causes excessive stress on the plantar fascia, and over time this can really aggravate that tissue. What happens is that during the night when you're sleeping, the body tries to heal that tissue and the plantar fascia tightens up. That's what can create some immediate pain when you first get into standing. So one of the best things you can do is immediately upon raising up in the morning, stretch your plantar fascia before you start taking some steps. If it helps, you can keep a heating pad in your bed to warm up your arches a little bit before you stretch to get a more effective stretch. But staying on top of managing the flexibility of the plantar fascia is a big way that you can stay on top of this condition. All right, so the first treatment to discuss for today is to massage the muscles in the arch of the foot. Again, it's this building tension in the muscles of the arch of the foot that's creating the problem. So if we can stay on top of that tension and stay and massage those muscle groups, you can be much more effective in terms of healing from this condition. So a tennis ball works really well, and you just put it on the ground, put the arch over the ball, and you're just rolling side to side, up and down. You can hold pressure if you find a particularly tight region, but you're just trying to massage the arch of the foot. And 5 minutes per side, twice a day. Now, if the tennis ball is just too intense, it's digging in too much, what you can also use is a frozen water bottle. The benefit of the water bottle is because of the cylindrical shape, it will dig less into the foot. Also, because it's frozen, it'll provide you with some anti-inflammatory treatment, which can be helpful for plantar fasciitis, due to the fact that it's inflammation of the plantar fascia. First, place the tennis ball on a firm, flat surface. Then place the arch of your foot directly over the ball. What you're trying to do is massage that whole arch. So rolling with the ball up and down usually works best. But you can also try to work on things like side to side, circles, trying to break up that tension. I'd recommend working with the ball for 5 minutes continuously, twice a day. Now, if a tennis ball is just much too intense, you can roll with something more like a foam roller, something with a bit more broad surface contact area, that's a bit softer. So that's perfectly fine. You may want to turn your foot in a bit so you get more of your plantar fascia. So yet another option is to work with either a frozen water bottle or a cold beverage. You can place it on the ground. And again, that cylindrical shape is going to be more comfortable for your plantar fascia. And the coldness will help to provide a bit of an anti-inflammatory treatment. And, plantar fasciitis, any kind of itis, is inflammation. So icing is helpful for this condition as well. The second treatment for plantar fasciitis involves strengthening what's called the intrinsic muscles of the foot, or the muscles in the arch of the foot that'll help to protect the plantar fascia. So to do that, what you want to do is get a towel, place it on the ground, and what you're trying to do is scrunch the towel together. If you have a carpeted floor, it may work better to get the towel damp, and you're trying to scrunch it all the way down, also for about 5 minutes per foot. What this is doing is it's building the muscles in the arch of the foot that'll help to protect your plantar fascia. Another option is if you have any small objects, you can pick up those objects between your toes and place them to the side over and over, such as marbles or other smooth objects that aren't going to dig into your feet or cause any cuts. When using a towel to strengthen the intrinsic muscles of the foot, First, place the towel on a firm, flat surface. And then what you're trying to do is scrunch the towel down. Again, I'd work on it for duration rather than sets or repetitions. So 5 minutes, twice a day. What this is doing is building what's called the intrinsic muscles of the foot, which will help you to better maintain your arch as you walk. By better maintaining your arch, this will help to protect the plantar fascia and help you in the long run to work yourself out of this condition. The third and final aspect of treating plantar fasciitis involves stretching out the muscles of the arch and stretching out their plantar fascia. So there's a few different ways to do this. Number one is to place your foot behind you, the other leg forward, and to sink forward, letting your heel come off the ground. If you feel that in the arch of your foot, you want to hold that for 30 seconds, and you're getting an effective plantar fascia stretch. If not, you may want to stand up on an object and let your heel drop down. You may find a better stretch that way. So today's video has been all about what exercises and techniques can be done to better manage the issues of plantar fasciitis or foot pain. But there are so many different topics I could post about. It all just depends on what you guys would like to see. So please post your comments below and subscribe so I can do my best to create a meaningful video for you or a loved one to improve quality of life. This is Dr. John Mayo, physical therapist, really hoping that this video is helpful for you or loved one and improves your life.